In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share customized emails on Kit. We are going to do this by taking a broadcast email you have already sent and turning it into something you can share publicly. This is useful when you want to repurpose an email for social media, share it with people who are not yet subscribers, or save a clean link you can post anywhere. Start by going to the Send area in Kit. From there, click Broadcasts. This is where Kit stores your one-time email campaigns. Take a moment to find the specific broadcast you want to share, and make sure it is a sent broadcast, since you will be sharing the version that has already gone out. Click the sent broadcast you want to share. Once you are inside the broadcast details, look for the option to continue to share, and click it. This will take you into the sharing and publishing flow, where Kit helps you turn the email into a shareable page. Next, choose the Send Email option for Publish Broadcast. This connects the broadcast content to the published version, so the shared page matches what your audience received. As you move through this, keep in mind that the goal is clarity for someone reading it outside their inbox. If the email includes references that only subscribers understand, consider whether that context is already included in the email itself before you share it. Now you can use the social icons to post directly. This makes it quick to share to supported platforms without leaving Kit. You can also add subscribers from here, which is helpful if you want to follow up by sending the broadcast to additional people who did not receive it the first time. After that, click SEO Setting. This is where you can manage the share link. Copy the URL that Kit provides, because that is the direct link you can paste into a post, a message, or a website. Finally, you can also click Publish to make the broadcast publicly available through that URL. Once it is published, test the link in a separate browser tab to confirm it opens correctly and displays the email as expected. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.